Kerun Optoelectronics Inc. Let's go and see it. Shenzhen Kerun Optoelectronics Inc. was founded in September 2010, specialized in LED, LCD digital display control boards.
Kerun's head office is located in Shenzhen, China, and today we arrive at the factory in Huoshan. The two factories have a production area of 30,000 square meters, and customer product service organizations have been set up in Hangzhou, Ningbo, Suzhou, Shanghai, and other places in Zhejiang province.
Kerun Optoelectronics has a full industry application in the LED display industry and has a scale of independent completion of the full process, supporting automation in smartphone, smart bathroom, industrial control, medical, vehicle, elevator, high-speed road gauge, and other applications. It is an integrated supporting provider that realizes fast supply guarantee and differentiate function customization. In only 3 years, the company has applied for more than 50 utility model patents, 13 invention patents, and 5 invention patents in 2021. Before we enter the production line, we need to go through this room.
Kerun Digital Business Unit currently has 43 industry-leading LED automatic packaging production lines, with a monthly capacity of 300K, and will increase by 50% in the next 2 years. Kerun R&D Center provides comprehensive solutions for intelligent home appliance controllers and full display series. Kerun Displays and Control Business Unit has a standard SMT dust-free production workshop and several imported high-speed full automatic SMT production lines. It is equipped with 8 DIP assembly lines with a monthly capacity of more than 2.8 million pieces. At the same time, we have complete supporting product reliability test equipment and inspection equipment, which can continuously provide the industry with high reliability products supporting services. Ultra thin thickness about 3 to 4 mm. REF can bear 270-degree high temperature. Real tape packing easy for mounting on PCB, reducing labor costs by automatic SMT machine.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.